Good morning students, I am Zubaira Molve. In the previous class we already discussed about basic geometrical ideas, some important points. Today we will discuss about polygonals. What do you mean by polygonals? A polygonal is a closed figure made up of line segments. As you know, what is the meaning of closed figure? So a polygonal is a closed figure made up of line segments. Line segments means there is a end points. And not curves. It means polygonal is a closed figure, okay, but not curved figures. They have to in straight lines. Next, a minimum of 3 line segments. 3 line segments are required for making a closed figure. How many lines? 3 line segments. For example, if you have taken only 2 lines, is it a closed figure? No, this is not a closed figure. This is an open figure. So, at least you have to take a 3 line segments. 1, 2, 3. 3 line segments to make a polygons. Okay, is it clear? Next, types of polygonals. Let us see what are the types of polygonals. The types of the polygonals are, that is, triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon and octagon, nonagon and decagon. These all are the types of polygonals. Okay. Next one. So what do you have to see here? In the first diagram there are 3 sides are there. 3 sides, it means it is a triangle. Next, that is quadrilateral. How many sides? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sides are there. It means it is quadrilateral. And next, pentagonal means 5. Just see 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These are the 5-sided diagram. Next one, hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides? Yes, of course, it is 6 sides. Okay, is it clear? Triangle means 3 sides, quadrilateral means 4 sides, pentagon means 5 and hexa means 6. Next, heptagon. Hepta means 7. Just you have to count here. 7 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Next, octa means 8, nano means 9 and decagon means 10. Is it clear? Okay, next, moving to the next, that is what are regular and irregular shapes. Regular and irregular shapes. First of all, what do you mean by regular shape? See here, all sides are equal. So all sides are equal and all inside angles are equal. This regular shape. It means all sides are equal is known as regular shape, and irregular means that is does not have equal sides or equal angles. Is it clear? It means if you have to take any diagram, it is a equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. It means 3 sides are equal. If you have to take one triangle, it means this is also 5 centimeter and this one also 5 centimeter and this is also 5 centimeters. All sides are 5 centimeter. Of course, it is a regular shape. Next, irregular. What do you mean by irregular? Does not have equal sides or equal angles. It means just you have to take a one diagram. If it is 2 centimeters, 2, and if it is 3 centimeters, if it is 4 centimeters. So these all are not equal. That's why equal angles means regular shape and unequal angles means irregular shape. Is it clear? Okay, let us see this diagram. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all sides are equal. It means it is regular. And right angle triangle, these 2 sides are equal. It means this side is unequal. It means it is irregular shape. Is it clear about regular and irregular? And one more thing, in an irregular it has different length sides and different side angle measurement. Just you have to take a one triangle, and in the angle there is a 50 degree, here also, here 50 degree, and this side also 50 degree. 50 degree, 50 degree, 50 degree means it is regular shape. If you have to take this diagram, here 50 degree, this side 40 degree, this side 60 degree means it is irregular shape. Is it clear about regular and irregular shape? Okay, let us move. As you know, there are different types of polygonals. First one is, that is triangle. Tri means 3. Tri means 3. So what is the definition? That is, a triangle is three-sided polygonal. Three-sided polygonal. Just you have to observe these examples. Sides 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here also 1, 2 and 3. So these are the three-sided polygonals. And next one, that is quadrilateral. As you know, quadrilateral means four-sided and four angles. Four-sided or four angles. Just you have to observe all these diagrams. All have four-sided angles and four-sided sides. Four sides. So first diagram, that is one side, two side, three side and four side. So that's why it is a quadrilateral. And next one, see here also four-sided, and this diagram here also four-sided, and this side also four-sided. That's why these all are examples for quadrilaterals. And next, as you know, pentagon means 5. So what is the definition? A pentagon is a figure with how many sides? 5-sided. 5-sided. If all angles and sides are equal, then it is regular, otherwise it is irregular. As you know about the regular and irregular, if all sides or angles are equal, then it is regular, and otherwise it is irregular. So what do you mean by pentagonal? Pentagonal is a figure with how many sides? 5-sided. Just you have to observe this diagram. It is a regular side because all sides are equal. That's why it is an example for regular. And irregular means, observe these diagrams. Is it all sides are equal? No, some sides are not equal. That's why this is an example for irregular, and here all sides are equal means it is regular. Next, hexagon. Hexagon means how many sides? 6 sides. So what is the definition? A hexagon is a figure with 6 sides is known as hexagon. So if all angles and sides are equal, then it is regular, otherwise it is irregular. Hexagon, that is, a hexagon is a figure with how many sides? 6-sided. Here regular means here all sides are equal. That's why it is an example for irregular. And in this diagram some sides are not equal. That's why it is an example for irregular. But just you have to count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 sides means it is example for hexagonal. But all sides are equal means regular, otherwise all sides are not equal means irregular. Okay, next, moving to the next one, that is heptagon. Hepta means, of course, right, it is 7. Just you have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 sides. That's why it is an example for heptagon. So hepta means, heptagons are polygonals that have how many sides? 7-sided. Next, these polygons have 7 sides, so it is called heptagon. So is it regular or irregular example? Just you have to observe all sides are equal here. That's why it is an example for regular. Next, See here, some examples are, so this is example for regular and these are example for irregular. Just you have to observe how many sides are there here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. That's why these are the example for heptagon. But is it regular or irregular? Just you have to observe these diagrams. The sides are not equal. That's why these are the examples for irregular. Okay, next, octagon. Of course, octagon means 8-sided. So what is the definition? It is the definition. In an octagon, 8 sides are there. So all of these polygonals have 8-sided. So they are all are called octagon. But some are regular and some are irregular. First diagram, just you have to observe it may be 8 or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Next 1, 2, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And in the third diagram 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Of course all are 8-sided. That was these are the example for octagonals. But which one is regular and which one is not irregular? Just you have to observe this diagram. Here all sides are equal. No, some sides are not equal. Just you have to see here these sides are longer. Then these sides are shorter. So this is also example for irregular and these two are of course are irregular. Is it clear about octagon? Moving to the next, as you know, that is nonagon. Nonagon means 9-sided. 9-sided. A 9-sided polygonal is known as nonagon. So which one is regular and which is non-regular? This is example for regular and this one is example for irregular. And just you have to observe here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9-sided. And here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here, wait. Count here 9 are there. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. But this one is regular and this is irregular. And next one, that is decagon. Deca means 10. Deca means 10. A decagon is a polygonal with how many sides? 10 sides and 10 angles. 10 sides and 10 angles. And a regular decagon has 10 equal sides and all the internal angles of the same degree. For example, you have to take here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides are there. Here 10 sides are there. That means it is a decagon. And angles, in the angles, these all are equal. That's why the interior angles are of the same degree. Interior are also the same degree. That's why it is a regular. It is an example for regular decagon. Next one, that is, see, in the decagonal, regular and irregular examples. This is the example for regular and this one is example for irregular decagon. As you know, deca means 10-sided polygonal and sum of the angles of a decagonal is 140 degree. About this sentence we will discuss it next. Okay. Next one. See, all these are the types of polygonals. First one is that is equilateral triangle, square, penta means 5, hexagon means 6, hepta means 7, octagon means 8, nonagon means 9 and decagon means 10 and undecagon means 11. So these all are the types of polygonals. Next, going to the next, that is depending on the sides, angles and polygonals are classified into different types. It is regular, irregular. These two are already we discussed. Regular means equal sides or equal angles and equal angles. Irregular polygonal means unequal sides and unequal angles is known as irregular. And next one, convex polygonal and concave polygonal. Let us see, these are the example for regular and irregular. Triangle, just first one is, that is triangle. Here all sides are equal, it means it is a regular. Here all sides, some sides are not equal, means here irregular. And quadrilateral, this side is regular and this one is irregular. Penta means five-sided polygonal. This side is regular and this is not equal, means irregular. Hexagon, 6 sides, this is regular and this one is irregular. Octa means 8 and this side is regular and this one is irregular. Is it clear about regular polygonal and irregular polygonal? And one more question, that is write the difference between regular and irregular polygonals. You have to write regular means equal sides and equal angles. Irregular means unequal sides and unequal angles is known as irregular. And you have to draw any 2 or 3 examples for regular and irregular. Okay, next, convex and concave. Convex angle, convex polygonal and concave polygons. Polygons and convex polygon and concave polygons. First one, what do you mean by convex? That is, every interior angle is less than 180 degree. All angles are less than 180 degree. How much? Less than 180 degree is known as convex. And concave have at least one angle that is greater than 180 degree. One angle is greater than 180 degree. So that's why this is called concave polygon. So these are the types of polygonals. Let us move. What are the some polygonals? As you know about the triangles, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon and octagon. Again in the triangles there are 3 types, that is equilateral, scalene, equilateral, scalene and isosceles. Next, in the quadrilateral, again rectangle, square, rhombus, parallelogram and trapezium. These are the examples for polygonals. And about triangle types and quadrilateral types we will discuss in the next class. This is all about types of polygonals. So some examples in our daily life. Just you have to observe here. This one, stop. How many, which polygonal it is? Just you have to count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 means this is octagon. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-sided means quadrilateral. And this one, 1, 2, 3. 3-sided, yes, triangle. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-sided means again it is quadrilateral. And this sides, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5-sided means pentagon. So these are the examples for polygonals. Let's see some examples. And in your tiles, just you have to observe in the tile which angle is there. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 means it is hexagon. Example for hexagon. And next, that is volleyball. Observe here how many sides are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 means hexagon. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is an example for 5 means pentagon, 6 means hexagon. And next, shapes we see in our everyday life. Pentagon examples are there and hexagons example, octagon examples. Just you have to observe all these are examples for pentagon because all are 5-sided. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5-sided. And these are the examples for hexagons. And last one, that is these are the examples for octagons because all are 8-sided. Is it clear all about pentagons? Okay. In the next video, we will discuss next part of the basic geometrical ideas. Until, you have to take care of yourself. Bye bye. Thank you.